Hi, what's going on? Chaos all over the world. War, bloodshed, nature disasters, earthquake, floods, fire, hurricanes. What's going on with our universe? Einstein said that God is not playing dice with the universe, that everything is accurate really, and there is the law of cause and effect. So if there is the law of cause and effect, and the effect is chaos, what is the cause? According to the spiritual understanding, when the creator created our universe, the same as a manufacturer that is creating a car is making a book that is teaching how to use that car in a proper manner and not to destroy it. The same our creator that created the universe gave us a manual. That manual is for all mankind is the 7 laws of Noah, the Noahism laws. And when we follow them, there is a blessing. When we don't follow them, then there is chaos. And what that a human being can create in 100 years, God can let the nature destroy it in 1 minute. It's because we are destroying nature. We are going against the nature of the universe when we are not going with the laws that God created into the universe. This is nature laws. So the nature is kicking back. This is what's happening. So all of that is a wake-up call for all of us to pay attention to the way that we behave one to another and according to the laws of between us to God. We need to understand that there is one God that is ruling the universe, and what that we can create in 100 years, the nature can destroy in a minute. So who is in control? Us or the laws of the nature? And in Hebrew, the Kabbalists are saying it. In Hebrew, the word for nature is hateva. Numerically, it equal to the name of God, Elohim. This is the laws of nature. This is the laws of God. So we need to wake up and to understand what's going on. This is a good time to wake up because this is the beginning of a new year according to the Jewish calendar. So I wish you a cycle of 12 months that will be blessed, that you'll be protected and everything will be good. Health and sustenance, all the benefit that it's possible to have. We just need to remember that God is in the equation. And when we take God out of the equation, this is the result. Have a beautiful year. Bye.